Hi and welcome to Foodie Checkpoint. Yes, today we're going to be trying something really nice. It's a mix of Mamak Mee Goreng and also chicken Quesadilla. Let's check it out. Alright, so we have got this lovely Mamak Mee Goreng. I'm just going to, squeeze a bit of lime on just one side of the Mee Goreng. Yeah. Just to get that citrusy feeling on the tongue first. Yeah. Yep, so I've just asked for some extra prawns here. Yeah, I've got two lovely prawnies sitting here. Yeah, on this we've got an extra egg as well here. There you go. And let's look at the noodle itself. Ooh, loads of items here. Yeah, pieces of chicken, some tofu, bean sprout, carrots, some green vegetables. I just can't wait to dive into this. Wow, the flavor is just truly Malaysian. And tofu with some chili padi. Yeah, I cannot live without chili padi. Gonna add a bit of chicken into this as well. Wow, I just like that spice. I chose the spicy option in this. Yeah. And yeah. It's really thoroughly fried. Oh. With all that combination of sauces put in, it's just incredibly good. Wow, very well mixed. Going to take this egg as well. I'm going to sample this noodle as well. As you can see here, loads of chili padi. Yeah. Not to forget, I did ask for two extra prawns. Wow, prawns are just so fresh, together with those sauces mixed in it. Truly lovely, guys. This Mamak Mee Goreng. I'll be posting the link soon on where you can get this from. Superb. What's really nice is the combination of these tomatoes and chilies, and with all the vegetables and the chicken and prawns. Wow. Got another bite here. Oh. You know what? We are still not done yet. Now, I've coupled my Mamak Mee Goreng today with this chicken Quesadilla or Quesadilla. Chicken Quesadilla, yeah. It's about this kind of this Mexican category. As you can see here, there's like a couple of pieces here. We're just gonna go on this first piece here. It's this, triangular shape, kind of like pizza, but it's not pizza. It's pizza looking. Looks a bit like roti canai on the outside. Again, it just looks like it. Yeah, haven't tasted yet. I can see a bit of corn and a bit of garnishing type of vegetables in it, and there's a bit of meat as well. Yeah, so there's corn, meat, and some tomatoes as well in it. Yeah, let me see if we can have a look at it inside. There you go. Yeah, I think it's some maybe some meat and some mushrooms. I'm not too sure. Yeah, and loads of cheese. Well, I can see me sweating. Yeah, also the Mamak Mee Goreng is spicy and it's just awesome. I'm just gonna try this chicken Quesadilla. Whoa! That bread is just so soft, so tender. I can just feel like it just came out from the oven, guys. And the meat is just so tender, so juicy. The meat and the corn and the veggies. Wow! I've never tried this combination of Mamak Mee Goreng and chicken Quesadilla. You really have to try it, and I can guarantee you are gonna love it. Yeah. You get that cheesy flavor in it. Wow. That just tastes so good. Alright, that brings us to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like this video, yeah, like. You can find that button at the bottom here. Remember to comment. Remember to subscribe to Foodie Checkpoint, yeah. Subscribe, turn on the notification, yeah, that vibrating bell. Subscribe to Foodie Checkpoint. Remember to share this video. I'm gonna post this link where you can get this from, yeah. I love to eat and I love to share with all of you what I always eat. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.